be honest with you? You are bound to repeat 2023 and 2024 unless you do these three things. Hello, and welcome back to another episode of The Resilient Life with Rosie. Happy New Year. Hope these few first days of the new year have been good to you and you have been good to them. As you well know, January 1st is a day of many things. A lot of gym openings, a lot of people with intentions, a lot of people wanting to go to the gym, a lot of people wanting to save money, a lot of intentions. But I'm here to say the year 2023, did you start out with those same intentions? And looking at December 31st, 2023, how much did you accomplish? I shared on my last Tea Time True Time of December of 2023. Please watch it. I'll put the card up for you to watch it so I don't repeat myself. But that is the first thing you need to do for 2024. Now, here's the second part of how to change your old gears for the new year. Any personal challenge that therapy could help with, therapy can provide tools to approach your life in a very different way. And that's why I'm excited to tell you about today's sponsor, BetterHelp. BetterHelp is a platform that makes finding a therapist easier because it's online, it's remote, and by filling out a few questions, BetterHelp can match you to a professional therapist in as little as a few days. It's easy to sign up and get matched with a therapist. There's a link in my description. It's betterhelp.com/theresilientlife. If you are struggling, consider online therapy with our sponsor, BetterHelp. Click the link in the description or visit betterhelp.com/theresilientlife. Also, it gets you 10% off your first month of BetterHelp so you can connect with a therapist and see if it helps you. Again, click the link in the description or visit betterhelp.com/theresilientlife. Thank you again, BetterHelp, for supporting this channel. Now back to our episode. Just like when you are driving to first look at the rear view mirror and reverse. Reverse in the sense of look back. I know a lot of people say don't look back. There's even a story in the Bible where it was told not to look back, but Lot's wife in the Old Testament looked back and his wife turned into a pillar of salt. However, she looked back for the wrong reasons. I'm telling you to look back for the right reasons. The right reasons to look back is to reflect. Is to look back in 2023 and ask yourself, okay, what are the things I accomplished? What are the things I did not accomplish? And ask yourself and be honest with yourself why I did not accomplish this. For example, for 2023, I wanted to be more fluent in Creole, which is my heritage language. And unfortunately, I did not complete that task. I had every quote unquote intention of completing it. However, I did not have the best time management of allowing that task in my schedule because I was doing a lot of different things last year. Now, looking back, I told myself, okay, I have to sit myself down and say, at 5:30, we're going to do Creole, and it's non-negotiable. That's what you have to do. Make it a non-negotiable, be real with yourself, and look back and reflect on the things you did not accomplish and ask yourself, why? Who was I not to complete it? I am consistent in different other things, but that particular task, I did not complete it. So number one is reverse. Look back to 2023 in order for you to change your gear for the new year. This Saturday, remember to tune in only on our YouTube channel for Tea Time True Time. The second thing is to park. Stop at this moment and be kind to yourself. This is not for me to give you shame and guilt and be like, dang it, there's so many things I could have done in 2023 and I'm a failure, I'm this, I'm that. No, that's not the point of step one of reflecting. It's to just make sure that you are aware and honest with yourself. So then proceeding forward into the new year, into your new life, that this is not a habit change, this is a lifestyle change. And now that we have parked, we have stopped, is to say, you know what? Okay, let me think about this and be honest with myself. Maybe it was not part of my important goals for last year to study Creole, hence why I wasn't highly intentional of incorporating it in my time. Because I could have said, okay, no Netflix until you study Creole. I could have done a lot of could haves. So now this year, I have to make sure, as well as you have to make sure, that the things that you really want this year, you will get it done because you sat down and stopped and you took a good look at yourself, to be honest with yourself, because the one person we deceive the most is ourselves. And just be truthful with yourself, to be, okay, let me be real and say, I hate exercising. I hate it. I see no purpose. And then say to yourself, okay, what's the alternative of exercising that I can do? Maybe let me change my diet. Maybe take off all the clothes that's on my treadmill and put some music on, or put an audiobook on, or put on something to get your body moving. You know what makes your body moving. Do that. So number 2, stop. Give yourself compassion. Give yourself kindness. Just be honest with yourself and see the person that did not complete the actions that you wanted done in 2023. Remember to join our email list on our website, roadtoresilient.com. Last but not least, drive. Drive into your success. Drive into the things that you want for yourself. Stop holding yourself back. Be honest with yourself about what do you want for yourself to 2024 and the things that need to take place in order for everything that you desire to come to pass this year. As I said, listen to my Tea Time Truth Time about the things that you need to do in order for success to happen for 2024. There are a lot of decisions that you will be making this year. And if you look at the word decision, it means to cut out. In the end of the day, you're cutting out a lot of different options that made you make a choice of what you plan to do today. Make sure you choose the better choice, not a good choice, because not all good choices are good for you. This is all part of having a resilient life. Missed any of our episodes of 2023? You could binge watch or listen to it on Apple and Spotify while you're exercising this year. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for everyone who has already subscribed to the YouTube channel. Remember to like, comment, and share. Thanks for listening to another episode of The Resilient Life with Rosie. Hope you return and bring a friend next week for more. Stay resilient.